How important is domain knowledge for an IT professional, especially business analysts and testing professionals? How do you start learning a domain? Is banking domain a good domain to learn? Let me help you with these questions. Irrespective of your role in an IT project, it does help to have domain concepts clear. Domain knowledge not only helps you understand customer requirements, but it also helps to understand the user perspective and anticipate future requirements. In turn, you can come up with a scalable and efficient IT solution. Banking is one of the evergreen sectors for the IT industry. It is also one of the largest users of IT systems and technologies. So, learning banking domain is definitely going to be a good choice. I have designed this course for people like yourself. You are new to banking domain. This course covers various important areas of the domain that includes core domain concepts, banking functions, latest regulations, recent technical innovations, etc. I am 100% sure that this knowledge will help you advance your career in banking domain. This will give you an edge over others. So, join me as I take you through the modules of this course and help you get started with the banking domain knowledge.